Hi friends, we'll now look into on how to send notices for table business meetings. So once you enter into the dashboard, click on MOMO, click on meeting notice, create notice 2324. Okay, so check your year. Continuous meeting number will already be entered. Your meeting number will also be here. Click on city, enter the city. If you're having a joint meeting with any other table or your circle, click on join meeting. Your date and venue of the meeting. So notices need to be given 6 days in prior, say 8 p.m. on 23rd August. Venue is the Coimbatore Club. Set location, Coimbatore Club. Enter this. Click save. The agenda will already be set here. For fellowship convener, if you want to add any agenda, you can come with plans for August, September to be discussed. Add here. Similarly, you can whichever convener has to be prepared for his business meeting. You can add the details so that that particular facet convener can come prepared. And once all the details are entered, create event and email notice. Now your meeting notice would be displayed here, and all the tablers would have received this particular notice. If in case you have any amendment, you have missed out any details, missed out on the exact time, say suppose you want to change it to 8:30, you can enter the same page of Momo meeting notices. Your entered meeting notice will be here. Click on this pencil button for editing the notice. Any addition can be entered here. Suppose you want to change it to 8:30, August 23rd. 8:30. Set it here. Update event notice. So your meeting is set to 8:30. Thank you guys.